Hello guys, my name is Umar and welcome to my channel Umar Photographer. So today you will learn how to make a rain effect and other some effects. So let's start. So first of all you need to make a duplicate of the background. So press Ctrl Command J. So this is ready. Now first of all we will change this grass color. So go to image, adjustment and hue situation. So I want to change it color, so it's green. Oops, it's not changing. So now yellow. This is good. This is right. So now click on image, adjustment and brightness. So now we will add a rain effect in this pic. So make a new layer and select this color in black and white. So click on this icon. Now press Alt Command Delete. Now go to filter, noise and add noise. This is I want amount in 25 Gaussian and check this one. Now go to edit, transform and scale. Change this W weight to 400 and height to 400. So it's a good. Now click on filter, blur and motion blur. Angle is 65, distance is 10. Now click on OK. Change this blending mode to screen. Oh, sorry. Now choose this layer 1 icon and go to this icon and click on levels. Drag it. Now click on this layer 2. So rename it to rain. So click on levels. Now click on this and now click on create clipping mask. So this you can see this effect and other rain. So now we will merge our layer together. So press Ctrl Alt Shift E. Layer 2 all. Yes. Now we will add some effect in this pic. So click on filter and camera raw filter. I love this camera raw. Highlights is little bit, clarity is, this is the best effect. Clarity, contrast is so good. You can change the grass color in this HSL fresh grayscale. You can see this green, you can change it. I don't want to change, so we will add increase this vibrance. Saturation is -5. So is ready. Again duplicate the layer, image, auto tune. So now I will add light in this pic. I have this light. You can download it from my blog umarediting6s.blogspot.com. I provide link in description. Change blending mode to screen. You can see this it is making a good effect. So set it. This is ready. So again merge this all. Click on image adjustment and curves. Drag it from middle little bit. So this is ready. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you learn these effects. So please like and subscribe my video and my channel. Sorry for my any mistake.